Today I'm going to teach you how to create a custom offer on Fiverr. This is a fantastic way to tailor your services to specific client needs and negotiate terms that work for both parties before starting a project. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account where you manage your freelance services. After logging in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your inbox icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select See All in Inbox. This will take you to your full messages page where you can manage all your client communications. Now, navigate to the left panel where you'll see a list of your buyer conversations. Click on the specific conversation with the buyer you want to send a custom offer to. This opens up your chat history with that particular client, allowing you to review any previous discussions before proceeding. Once you're in the conversation, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Create an Offer. Click on this button to start building your custom proposal. This feature gives you the flexibility to create personalized deals outside of your standard gig packages. A list of your available gigs will appear. Select the gig you want to base this custom offer on by clicking it. This helps structure your offer with the right service category and keeps everything organized within your Fiverr profile. Next, you'll see two payment options, single payment or milestones. For instance, click single payment if the project is straightforward and doesn't require phased deliverables. The milestones option is better suited for larger projects that need to be broken down into stages, but for now, let's proceed with single payment. Now comes the customization part. Type in the offer details, including the price you're proposing and the delivery time you can commit to. You'll also have the option to add settings like the number of revisions you're willing to include and an expiry date for the offer. These details help set clear expectations from the start and prevent any misunderstandings down the line. Before finalizing, you have the option to select whether you still need the buyer to send requirements. If your offer depends on receiving specific information or files from the client, check the box beside this option. This ensures the buyer knows they need to provide those details before you can begin work. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Send Offer. This submits your custom proposal to the buyer, who can then review, accept, or negotiate further based on what you've outlined. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a custom offer on Fiverr, giving you more control over your pricing and project terms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.